first step ng big shark. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Second step, ito naman si mommy shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Third step, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Fourth step, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark. Five step, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Six step, lagay natin isang kamay dito at yung isa. Tapos, let's go hunt it, let's go hunt it, let's go hunt it, let's go hunt. Seven.
Oh, next.
Next is run away. Run away, run away. Wait, kailangan mo yung mukha at stay flat, stay flat, stay flat, stay flat,
Ba, madali na siya.